Sambamba mfethu today mangisithola lapha ngibona ile poster nale daphiwe ukuthi bamhlabele amafoni nomngane wakho Nicole I think in the TV I think they get in their house and took those things and so uziyatsho ukuthi whoever ozitholile or uzibona sithengiswa make sure ukuthi amcontact uzoganya isincane ukuthi just nje umbongo ukuthi abonge ukuthi at least umsizile. You understand? But this post is not about that. You understand? This post is about how people they are cruel. Sebenza nzima, chesa amaphupha ulali, ngithola imijuluko yakho make sure ukuthi bomba bakho yabuhlanganisa bese bekhona ezikhalemqa. Bekhona namasela. Umuntu akafuna ukusebenza, umuntu adrop out esikolweni, umuntu akazimiselanga ngobomi, umuntu akafuna go through a lot, ufuna ama shortcut and then uhambe umoshela abanye abantu abasebenza enzima. Kwaze nabhora bafethu yazi. Mawuzazi isigebengu uzazi uyabhora. Just know that uyabhora. Wena ufuna ukusebenza, wento oyifunayo ufuna ubhizi nje ulumaza abanye abantu, uthento zabanye abantu, ugqikeza imizini abanye abantu, thatha imoto zabanye abantu, khoma abantu ngezibhamu, thatha amafoni abanye abantu, wenza yonke lento ebhlungu ebantwini. What kind of human you are? Actually you're not a human, you're an animal. You're an animal. Because wena into oyifunayo ufuna easy way. Labantu laba sebenza nzima. Do you know what they go through in order to get money? Wena mawuceda ufika nje ukufika ukuthatha nje ngesibhamu. Do you know that? Gqekeza imizini nabantu wenza yonke lento oyenzayo. Just to eat drugs, just to eat alcohol. Just to buy fancy clothes. Imali zabanye abantu. Ngimisebenzi abanye abantu. Wena uyengayisebenzelanga wena. Wena mawuvuka ebusuku uthi uyosebenza kodwa ukhuthuza abantu wena. Ayikho into ebhora njengomuntu obamba inkunzi. Ayikho into ebhora njengomuntu oyicriminal. Sigebengu siyabhora. Siyabhora. Ayikho into ebhora njalo into njalo. Umuntu afuna ukusebenza, afuna uqeda isikolo. Number 1. Number 2. Awufunanga uyohereza uyosebenza icontract because wasiqedanga isikole. Awufunanga ukwenza license for ukuthi drive ama taxi. Awufunanga ukwenza license for ukuthi drive ama truck. Awufunanga ukwenza i-security for ukuthi at least ugade. Maningi ama opportunity outside. Awufunanga uthengisa, awufunanga uqala business, awufunanga ukwenza lutho wena ufuna just uba menkonzo nje wena. That's how lazy you are in your mind to think how to make money without doing bad thing to other people. Ayinabhora man. If isigebengu mamele video yazi ukuthi uyabhora. Uyadina. Yanyanyisa nesidina. Ngathi ungafa njengenja. Because uyiyo vele. Anyway guys, ngicela laba fethu abazokwazi ukuthi basizonality. Manibona nje lezi khalemqa lezi sigebengu sithengisa nimthinte guys. Nimthinte. Because justice ayifuna la South Africa la. South Africa igcwele ubugebengu too much. Too much. I can't report the country, truly speaking. This country is depressor. In a trauma, this country. Yadiga. Ninto ezimbe ezenzakala kule country le. Even those pretend as if like it's a better country, what. But this country yabhora. Kathi umuntu omnyama ngabuyela kwingcambu zakhe abuyele ku spirituality sikwazi ukuhluzeka sikhule emoyeni sikhule emqondweni sibe abantu abangcono man you asuka